This is a demonstration of how you can control the Amazon Android Kindle Reader app by voice. I only cover tasks which I think will be most frequently used. I've recorded it in portrait mode as it will mainly be of interest to those with Android phones or tablets and they can rotate the screen. You'll notice pop-up toes appearing. They can be removed but are shown so that when a command does not work, you can see which words, if any, have not been correctly recognised. If a command is often confused with other words, it seems to help to say it in context. For example, if forward is not being recognised correctly, then saying go forward one page often helps. Success seems to be about 50%. Sometimes the command is not heard, sometimes it is heard but not acted upon. No doubt this will improve. Commands can also be combined, as we will see. I've used the voice command to open the Kindle app. This additionally calculates the screen size and orientation of the device, so the correct tap coordinates can be used for different devices and make sure we always start on the same page. The command I use for this is Kindle begin. Next. 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 Previous. Select. Previous. Previous. Next. 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 The first previous didn't work because we were at the beginning of the book. Next. Back. Menu. On device. On device. Down. Down. List 4. Back. 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 Menu all items. Down. Down. Back. Back. Menu. Menu search. Find Shakespeare. Back. More. More. Down. Down. List 5. Back. Find Robinson Crusoe. Find Terry Pratchett. Find Terry Pratchett. Exit Kindle. Back. Exit Kindle. Now you've seen some of what can be done. It's not perfect, but it works. Voice control is not restricted to the Kindle Reader app, nor just to e-reader apps. Almost any app can be voice controlled. You could control your internet browser, change parameters in your word processor, or even create apps using voice commands. Unfortunately, the response is probably too slow for most games. Obviously, voice control potentially offers great opportunities to those who cannot use their hands. Instead of requiring someone to read to them or turn pages for them, they could do this for themselves whenever they wished. Commands do not have to be the ones I've used. For example, next could be replaced by any sound which is consistently recognised as a word. Eventually, someone may be able to add voice controls to apps using voice control alone. But there are also many occasions where it is inconvenient for able-bodied users to use their hands. Turning pages of an e-book when your hands are dirty, for example following a food recipe or a car maintenance manual, is just the tip of the iceberg. In order to do all this, you need an Android phone or tablet, which must at this point in time be rooted. I hope Google and manufacturers will soon recognise that having people able to control devices by voice is extremely desirable, especially for the handicapped, and will allow this on non-rooted phones or tablets. Android 4.3 and upwards is also required because it uses Tasker and AutoVoice. These together currently cost just over £4. AutoInput is also useful but non-essential. If there is sufficient interest, I will put together instructions for achieving everything in the video. Thank you for watching.